The wave within the mountain ... on the canvas. The colossal figure of Maria Sinuquin rises. Her body is Mount Arayat itself, a massive arms form the ridges, and her hair flows like lush forests embracing the sky. Her sheer scale is a majestic reminder that Philippine mythology is not just a collection of old folklore, but a towering foundation of Filipino culture ... But this artwork whispers a much deeper truth. Inspired by his wife, the painting captures the intricate nature of womanhood. At first glance, Maria lies in a peaceful slumber, gentle, nurturing and patient. But do not be deceived. Just like a quiet mountain that can transform into an erupting volcano at any moment, a woman's silence is not a lack of power, but a reservoir of it. When pushed to her limits or disrespected, that serene sleep can fracture into a brilliant, explosive awakening. This painting is more than just the myth of a goddess. It is a mirror reflecting the vital influence and role of women in our society. They are the pillars of peace, yet they carry the raw power of a volcano capable of shaping landscapes and changing history.